full brick 3-bedroom home with 2 full baths and flex room. Nice open floor plan with crown molding and beautiful hardwoods. Gas log fireplace in the family room, large kitchen with breakfast bar, custom cabinets and large walk-in pantry. Isolated master suite with glamour bath featuring dual vanities, separate shower and tub, and walk-in closet. Large laundry room. Oversized back patio on a large fenced lot with full irrigation and no neighbors behind you. Within minutes to Redstone Arsenal, Research Park, airport and entertainment and shopping. Community amenities include a clubhouse, pool, gym, tennis courts, 2 playgrounds, stocked fishing pond and walking trail.